Hello, welcome back. In today's video we will talk about data connectors in Power BI. Previously we imported one CSV file, but now I'm gonna show you what exact Power BI connectors we do have in Power BI. So let's go to Home tab. And then, as I mentioned, we have several options to import data. First one is to get data. So basically we can choose specific data source from here. We can also click on transform data, and then it will take us to Power Query Editor. But now let's click on this get data, and then I'm gonna click on more. That way we will get full list of data sources that we have. So if I scroll down, you will be able to see a lot of them here. But also we have these folders with specific data sources. So first one is Excel CSV file, which we previously used to import this file, XML, JSON folder, PDF, Parquet file, and SharePoint folder. So what is interesting here, if you check this folder option, basically it will allow us to import all files from one folder. Even if you add new file, it will be automatically imported. So that is a very nice feature, and I'm gonna show you later in this course how to use that option. Now let's proceed to database, and basically we have several database connectors. For example, SQL Server Database, MySQL, Postgres, Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and so on. Of course, we will cover some of them in this course. Microsoft Fabric. So from here we can use semantic models, which is basically our data set for Power BI. Data flows, we will cover also that one in the course. That is connected to Power BI service. Data marts, basically it's also Power BI service feature. Warehouses, which means data warehouse, lakehouse, and this last option that we have here. Now let's proceed to Power Platform, and basically we have data flows again, common data service, Dataverse, and again new data flows. Let's go to Azure, and basically in this Azure folder we have several Azure tools. For example, Azure SQL Database, Databricks, Blob Storage, and so on. Online services. Here we also have some interesting options like SharePoint Online List, Dynamics, Google Analytics, Salesforce, LinkedIn data, GitHub, and so on. There is really a lot of options. Let's go to other, and here we have some not that commonly used options, but also some of them we will cover. For example, web. This is basically used for web scraping. Also we have SharePoint list, R script, Python script, ODBC, and so on. Let's go to all, and in this case we will choose CSV file. Here we can see the CSV file, but also in this search box we can type CSV, and then we will be able to see our option. Let's click on that one. Let's click on connect, and let's choose additional table. Let's click on customers, open, and then we have this new window for data importing. We have file origin, delimiter again is comma, and again we have two options, to load data and to transform the data. This time let's click on load, and basically it's completed. Now we have our second data source imported successfully. Okay, with this I'm gonna conclude this video. Thank you for watching.